New at 6, the attorney for a former Tulsa police officer convicted in the death of his daughter's boyfriend has requested an investigation. We brought you breaking coverage last night when jurors found Shannon Kepler guilty of first-degree manslaughter. And at 5, we broke down what that sentence could mean. New at 6, Fox 23's investigative reporter Ashley Lincoln is live with what Kepler's attorney wants to happen before he's formally sentenced.
Well, Katie, after that sentencing, he requested a pre-sentence investigation that will allow the Department of Corrections to weigh in on how much time they think Shannon Kepler should serve. Barbara Walker tells me she's been present for every Shannon Kepler trial.
I said as a citizen, I wanted to be there. I wanted to see the process from A to B.
Walker says with this being the 4th trial, a verdict was important not only for the community, but for both families affected. She says she prayed with them during parts of this trial.
I cried. It was tears of joy and sadness because we have 2 families. Kepler, their lives are forever be changed. But Jeremy's life has always been changed because he's not here.
After Judge Holmes read Kepler the guilty verdict, his attorney, Richard O'Carroll, requested for a pre-sentencing investigation.
It gives a snapshot of this person's background and history and whatnot, and a report is submitted by Department of Corrections, and they actually make a recommendation. Pre-sentencing investigation also usually makes a recommendation on what they think should happen.
Attorney Mike Manning says if the judge decides to uphold the jury's sentencing recommendation of 15 years, Kepler will have to serve 85% of that time. Both citizens and attorneys say this case has set an example of how mistrials are handled at the DA's office.
Yes, it set a major precedent.
If he believes that justice calls for something, he's going to be determined in what he does to pursue it.
And Kepler was immediately taken into custody after the judge read the verdict of first-degree manslaughter. He will have his formal sentencing on November the 20th. Reporting live from downtown, covering news that matters, I'm Ashley Lincoln, Fox 23 News.